Hello viewers, in this video we are going to study octal to binary conversion. So we have been given with the number 65.13 to the base 8 is equal to what to the base 2. So let us study the procedure that we need to follow in the form of steps. Alright, step 1. Convert each octal digit into 3-bit binary digit. Step 2. Write them in a sequence. Now let us consider this particular example. Here the first step says that convert each octal digit into 3-bit binary digit. So here I'm going to write first 6 and I'm going to convert this one into binary. So here we have to divide 6 by 2. So 2 3s are 6, remainder is 0. So 2 1s are 2, remainder is 1. Next, 1 cannot be divided by 2, hence quotient becomes 0. This one will become remainder. So this is least significant digit and this one is most significant digit, and we will have to write from most significant digit to least significant digit. So here 1 1 0, we have to write 1 1 0, that represent 6. Similarly I have to write 5. So divide this number 5 by 2. 2 2s are 4, remainder is 1. 2 1s are 2, remainder is 0. Next 2 zeros are and 1 is the remainder. So this is least significant digit and this one is the most significant digit. So we'll have to write from most significant digit to least significant digit. So here 101 represent 5. I'm going to write 101. Similarly here I'm going to write 1 and 3. So here 1 can be divided by 2. So 1 cannot be divided by 2, hence quotient becomes 0. Here we will write 1. So this is the only one remainder that we got. So similarly we can write 1 can be represented in the form of group of 3 bits. We'll write 0 0 1. Next digit is 3. So divide 3 by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 1 is remainder, 1 cannot be divided by 2, hence quotient becomes 0, this one will become remainder. So this is least significant digit and this one is the most significant digit. So we'll have to write from most significant digit to least significant digit. So here I'm going to write 1 1. So you can write, make a group of 3 bits 0 1 1. Why 3 bits? Because 2 to the power 3 is 8, hence we have to write all these digits in a 3 bits. Okay, yes. Next what we need to write is 65.13 to the base 8 is equal to, what is 6? 6 is 110. Next 5. So here you can see step 2, write them in a sequence. We have to write them in a sequence. After writing 6, 5. So here 1 0 1 is 5. So after 5 we have got decimal point, put decimal point over here. 1 can be written as 0 0 1. Next after 1 we have got 3. So 3 is 0 1 1 to the base 2. So here I'm going to give you one more example of this kind. You just try to solve it by yourself. Alright, 75.17 to the base 8 is equal to what to the base 2. And please let me know the answer for this question in the comment box. Thank you.